Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something incredibly special, a name that echoes through automotive history, reborn for a new generation. Yes, we're talking about the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Type 1. Volkswagen has reimagined this iconic model, paying tribute to its legendary heritage while packing it with modern tech, enhanced safety, and a fresh design that turns wherever it goes. So buckle up as we take a deep dive into this classic reinvented for the 21st century. At first glance, the 2026 Beetle Type 1 immediately captures your attention with its retro-modern exterior design. It retains the unmistakable rounded silhouette that made the original Beetle so loved, but now with a sleek, contemporary twist. The new LED circular headlights are a modern nod to the past, and they blend seamlessly with the sculpted front fascia that includes a minimalist grille and active air flaps for better aerodynamics. Volkswagen has also added subtle chrome elements along the side mirrors and window lines, enhancing that premium vibe. The curvaceous fenders remain, but now they're more defined, giving the Beetle a bold and muscular stance on the road. The rear features updated LED taillights shaped in a way that mimics the original design, but adds a modern signature light pattern. The new Beetle rides on stylish 17 to 19-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim, and comes in a variety of vibrant colors, including pastel shades reminiscent of the original models. Step inside, and you're greeted with a surprisingly spacious and thoughtfully designed cabin. Volkswagen has done a phenomenal job of blending nostalgia with innovation. The dashboard features a body-colored trim panel, just like the vintage Beetle, but it houses a sleek 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital cockpit is fully customizable and offers crisp graphics with real-time navigation, speed, and performance data. The steering wheel is retro-inspired with a classic VW logo in the center, yet it's fully multifunctional with tactile controls. The interior materials are soft touch with eco-friendly upholstery options, including recycled leatherette and sustainable fabric. Ambient lighting runs through the door panels and footwells, creating a cozy, futuristic vibe at night. In terms of comfort, the 2026 Beetle Type 1 surprises again. The front seats are heated and ventilated, with ample legroom and lumbar support, great for both city cruising and long highway drives. The rear seats fold flat to expand cargo capacity, making the Beetle more practical than ever. You also get a panoramic sunroof in higher trims, which adds a feeling of openness and light. Cabin insulation is top-notch, so outside noise is kept to a minimum, even at highway speeds. Now let's talk performance. Unlike the air-cooled engines of the past, the 2026 Beetle comes with two modern powertrain options. The base model is equipped with a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 180 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. It's paired with a smooth 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, offering lively acceleration and excellent fuel economy, around 32 mpg combined. For those looking for more thrill, there's also a mild hybrid 2.0-liter engine available in the GT line variant, producing up to 220 horsepower, capable of 0-60 mph in just under 6.8 seconds. Both powertrains are front-wheel drive, and the suspension has been tuned for comfort without compromising cornering stability. Steering feels light but responsive, making city driving and tight parking a breeze. Safety is another area where the 2026 Beetle Type 1 shines. It comes standard with Volkswagen's IQ.Drive system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. There are also optional features like a 360-degree camera system and automatic parking assist, making it easier than ever to maneuver in tight spaces. In terms of pricing, Volkswagen has done well to keep the Beetle accessible while offering great value. The base trim starts around $24,500 USD, with mid-level trims hovering near $28,000 and the fully loaded GT line variant topping out just above $32,000. With its unique blend of classic charm, modern amenities, and impressive performance, It's a strong contender in the compact hatchback segment. All in all, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Type 1 is not just a car, it's a statement. It pays homage to a legendary past while looking confidently into the future. Whether you're a longtime Beetle fan or a new driver looking for something stylish, fun, and reliable, this car checks all the boxes. It's quirky yet refined, nostalgic yet modern, and above all, it's full of character. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting car content coming your way. See you in the next video.